Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You need the right camera and an active sign-in method, so start now. First, verify the camera is IR or Windows Hello certified in Device Manager, then open Settings. Once done, install Windows updates and restart to avoid driver conflicts. Make sure you are signed in with your Microsoft account or have a PIN. If you don't, create a PIN in sign-in options. These steps remove common blockers and let Windows register your face securely and reliably. Open Settings, go to Accounts and choose Sign-in options. Click Windows Hello Face and start the setup wizard. You will be prompted to position your face at eye level, sit, or stand about arm's length from the camera. Follow the prompts to look straight, then turn your head slightly so Windows captures multiple angles. Make sure camera and biometric permissions are allowed. Otherwise, the setup will stop. The system builds a facial model to unlock faster and reduce false accepts. Lock the PC with Win+L and look at the camera to test that Windows Hello unlocks you quickly. If you want added security, set Require Sign-in after sleep or Restart in Sign-in options. Make sure lighting and camera angle are consistent for best performance. If recognition fails repeatedly, update the camera driver via Device Manager, then re-register your face. Redoing the enrollment fixes poor captures. This troubleshooting tip clears common issues and gets you back.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.